It's a beautiful flower outside. Days are blooming. Birds are burning. On days like this, kids like you should be singing in hell. Turn around the table, kid, it'd be a flower. If I had to go back on the promise that I made in hell, and you step over that line, or else friend you're gonna have a bad. Kids like you play by the rules, and guys like me easy to be played the fools. So let's go, let the room get ready. Let's go, birds killer. Go ahead and try to hit me if you're able, cause you figured out I'm off the table. I can tell you're getting really sick, but I think you'll just magic keep eating. You're not gonna sing, we'll be here together, fighting in this forever. And now you just sing each time I'll beat ya, but I'll always be right back here to meet ya. Yes, you, I know you're made This is where it burns. If you want to get past me, well, you better try to nag. But no matter how I stone you, you don't give a fuck. Do you just like the feeling of your birds rolling on your back? And then try, go ahead if you hate me. If it's up, you should know them, but don't like the table. Think that you can try to spare me like I'm someone. What you did is spare my pretty birds. Don't get smoked, and I know you made my weeds all up here. But everything they cared about is why I'm here in hell. I am the spaghetti. I am the spider. No. I am an nation. I know you're made of she and the she and the determination. But I think I'm stronger than you.
I do it.